Here's how I fill my water tank. It's a 25-gallon tank I installed myself. I like this location because several reasons. There's the overflow. Nicely just flows out the side there. And from inside I can monitor the level easy because it's a transparent tank. Don't have to rely on flaky electronics. And I fill it from there. This is at a county campground. They don't have a standard type connection. So I have this thing here. It's called a Water Bandit. It actually doesn't work worth crap unless you use strong clamps like I did there to clamp it onto there. Otherwise it just pops off real easy due to the water pressure. This is just flexible rubber. See how it would just pop off easy on both ends actually. This you can leave on indefinitely, but this one I have to untighten to get it back off of here. This is how I fill my tank up when I don't have a standard connection to connect to. It saves me from having to drive around looking for a place intended for water hookup. Normally I would be over there so I could listen for the overflow bubbling sound when I know the tank is full. So I'll have to kind of do it from a distance now. And I use this little rail here to hold the hose like this to keep it from crimping, and I don't have to hold it. This is actually to keep pans from sliding off of the stove, and it works also to hold this hose, otherwise it would be kind of eventually crimping there and possibly just sliding right out. This is a shut on and off valve for the water on this end. These are available at Camping World and on Amazon. So I just rigged this up for easy entry here rather than an entry on the outside. This also prevents people from tampering with it on the outside. I'll show you what the tank looks like from the inside, how I can monitor the level right there. Easy to keep track of it. I like the tank mounted on the inside also because now I don't have to worry about cold temperatures freezing the water, cracking things. My water pump is there, and then the accumulator tank that helps with reliability and better pumping action. I'll make a separate video on the gray and black water drainage, as well as a flushable toilet I have mounted under that cover.